Welcome back to another aquatic adventure. I'm Erin with Wave Foundation again, and we are here at one of our freshwater falls in Newport Aquarium, and we're going to talk today all about the benefits and the purposes of waterfalls in our ecosystem. So hopefully you guys have all seen a waterfall at some point, even if it's a fountain or a waterfall that's in someone's backyard. And whenever we see them, at least for me, I love the sound of water. I love that crashing. It always just seems to make me happier, and that's real. That is actually one of the benefits of waterfalls, but there are tons of other benefits to the ecosystem, the plants, the animals, and the system as a whole. So that's what we're going to talk about today. So we're here looking at one of our freshwater fall ecosystems, and one of the first things that you'll notice is that a waterfall creates a lot of bubbles. And those bubbles are probably the most important part of a waterfall, because what that is doing is adding air, and more specifically oxygen, into the water for all of these animals and plants to take in and use for their bodies. So that fish all breathe that oxygen, the plants will use it in their body processes as well. So that is one of the most important parts of a waterfall, is that it churns up the water and it adds that air into our water. But that churning does a couple of other things. It helps to circulate the water. As water circulates, that helps to move nutrients through the cycle, and that's really important as well. This helps to break down any plant waste or animal waste, any old plants, dead leaves, things like that. And as those churn up, that helps to break down those materials into those good nutrients that can be used by the plants from the soil. And also, you will often see really luscious plants around the top of a waterfall, and that's because that water, as it crashes together, actually creates more humidity in the air, and those plants take in that water for their processes as well. So that humidity that's created around an ecosystem is also really important. Now, also, as you see the water flow from the top area down to the bottom, that provides spaces for beneficial bacteria to grow that help to break down old waste and other things from in the water. So there's a lot of action happening at a waterfall that we don't even see. That when we just hear that sound, we feel a lot calmer, which is wonderful, but this is actually an incredibly important feature to an ecosystem. So I encourage you all to go find a waterfall, go find a water feature, enjoy it, and also recognize the incredible benefits that ecosystem is gaining from that flowing water. I hope you have a great day. See you later.